Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Jeep Grand Cherokee battery. First, prioritize safety by turning off your vehicle and removing the key from the ignition. Always wear safety gloves and eye protection to protect yourself from potential battery acid or sparks. Make sure you are working in a well-ventilated area, keeping any open flames or ignition sources far away from the battery. These precautions are crucial for a safe and successful battery removal. Unlike many vehicles, the main battery in a Jeep Grand Cherokee is uniquely located beneath the front passenger seat. To access it, begin by sliding the passenger seat all the way forward, providing ample room to work. Next, remove any floor mats that might be covering the area. You will then need to lift the plastic access panel or cover to reveal the battery tray and the battery itself. Now it's time to disconnect the battery terminals. Using a 10mm wrench or socket, loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal first. Once loose, carefully remove the black negative cable from the battery post and secure it away to prevent accidental contact. Then, repeat this process for the positive terminal, loosening the nut and removing the red positive cable, also keeping it clear of the battery. With the terminals disconnected, locate the battery hold-down bracket. You will need a 13mm deep socket to loosen and remove the nuts securing this bracket. Once the bracket is off, carefully lift the battery out of its tray. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing 40 pounds or more, so use proper lifting techniques. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, connecting the positive terminal first, then the negative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.